sawa
I'm really sorry to call in. See you later.
umbare kuguhamagara turaza gusubira.
He said he survived for years without me. He can go a couple of days.
yambwiye ngo yamaze igihe n'ubundi akora atamfite kuri resitora ngo yamara iminsi nk'ibiri. umukobwa asabye agahushya k'iminsi nk'ibiri atajya kuri resitora gukora.
Couldn't stop praising Melanie.
ndetse ngo mbere anashoboye akazi.
That included. All right.
Okay.
So, are you feeling better?
urumva umeze neza?
Yes, the cotton candy.
meze neza iriya kotoni kandi itumye mera neza. ikakaruye mugure ko guporeza.
Kevin, I need to find an apartment fast.
ngiye kubanza nshaka inzu yo kubamo.
Stay at Matt's house.
ntabwo nakongera kuba mu nzu ya Meti.
No, me either.
nta nubwo najya kwabamo.
My mom is there and I know my salary won't be enough.
kandi ikindi ndabizi ko umushahara wanjye udahagije.
I think I should ask for an advance from work.
ahari nkwiye gufata avanse ku kazi nkaba mbagushije mu gihe umushahara utaraza.
I think in short time you'll be able to open a place.
ngenda bizi mu gihe gito uzaba umeze neza kurusha.
I mean, your salary will multiply. Don't worry.
ndetse n'umushahara wawe uzikuba ubona amafaranga menshi.
Meantime, I'll lend you the money. Don't worry.
mu gihe rero uri mu kazi utarabona amafaranga naba nkugurije. umuhe yaramuhamagaye.
You don't call a person 23 times.
mama mpamagaye inshuro ya 23.
Done scolding me.
She must be worried.
wabona ahangayitse.
How to worry. Only how to go next.
ntago azi guhangayika buriya abagiye kunsarana ngo ambwire nabi gusa.
Don't mind her.
Don't be
mwihorere.
Why would I mind your mother? Mine gave you a hard time too.
She wasn't as hard on me as mine was on you, right? I'm
byibura mama wawe ntago ajya kubwira nabi nk'uwanjye. bebe
Your mother has a bit of a style problem. She throws cannonballs with her tongue.
mama wawe yagize ibibazo ahangayitse wabona uburyo bigaragazamo ari ugusa nk'uvuga nabi kutongana.
You know, in their eyes, a man and a woman
gusa mu maso yabo
able to be friends.
mama wawe yabanje kubibona ko umugabo n'umugore bataba inshuti. bari bafite ubwoba bwanjye nawe.
A man and a woman became good friends.
gusa umugabo n'umugore bashobora kuba inshuti nziza nkanjye nawe.
good friend.
inshuti nziza sibyo?
We are. We are.
yego turi inshuti nziza.
We are. And that necklace?
Well,
ka gakufe
good that day, so I brought it to cheer you up.
buriya munsi nabonaga warakaye nkuzanira agakufe ngo utuze.
There's a heart on it.
kari agakufe kariho umutima.
Say, and keep your heart in good
kugira ngo umutima wawe uzahore wera umeze neza. Sasa meta yatangiye kugira ngo ni inshuti nziza. yeah. mukecuru arongera arahamagara. mwitabe.
driving around in a town car calling out.
mwitabe wumve.
She hung up.
Call her back.
arakubye muhamagare.
Call her now. Look, my favorite thing about you is you dive in head first. You dive in, but you talk. Call her back.
muhamagare muvugane.
Stand. Tell her again. We can give up a lot, but we can't give up on our own mother.
buriya ubuzima twabuvaho ariko ntabwo twava ku babyeyi bacu.
She's calling.
Where are you? You made me worry sick.
uri he? uri gutuma mpangayika. wa mwana uzatuma nishobora guhangayika. uri he?
Please answer me.
subiza uri hehe?
Who are you? What are you doing?
uri hehe? uri gukora iki?
I'm fine.
meze neza.
You.
uri kumwe nande?
Mom, don't worry about me. I'm fine.
mama meze neza sicyo ashaka kumbaza.
Seriously? Come on. Don't hang up.
ntuwupe. uri he?
Location. I'll come to you and
nkoherereza location yahantu uri nzi murebe. nshaka kuba ndi kumwe nawe.
I'll send you my location.
sawa reka nkoherereza aho ndi.
Is she nearby?
Don't know.
I'll leave her.
Where are you going?
mugihe
A lot of things have happened, and it's all because of me. She's not going to want to see me. And you know that I can't keep quiet.
Are you going to leave me alone? Stay 5 more minutes. Okay?
ugumye hano indi minota 5.
What's going on, ladies?
ibiki bijya mbere hano?
I'm like the lady of the house now. Now that Melanie is working a job, Harley went to the grocery store.
yatangiye kubabwira abandi aho bagiye.
What's wrong?
byagenze bite?
You all look so...
mbona mutishimye mwese bimeze bite?
Something happened to my son?
hari icyabaye ku muhungu wanjye?
Thing happened to Kevin, Miss Jewel.
nta cyabaye ku muhungu wawe Kadiri.
Tell you.
reka twinjire turakubwira. barinjira. Yeah.
Who is that?
Ngo ninde?
Let's see.
Tujye kureba. Gusa hano.
What brings all of you
Ni iki kibazanye hano?
Only Creative Blue is here.
Bose baje kumureba. Baramusuye. Karibuni karibuni bamenye ibye. Yageze hano asanga yanarakaye. Umwemera wenyine n'uyu. Muzehe bose baramusize biyizira kureba abana bakundana. Baje kureba Angela. Ni karibu. Murakoze.
I'll leave so you guys can talk in peace.
Reka nigendere muvugane na Mate.
Is that possible?
Oya barike barike.
Going nowhere.
Nta hantu ujya.
We're here to understand, not to question.
Turi hano kugira ngo tukumve ntabwo tuje kugucira urubanza.
Don't to say either. But I'm on Nell's side.
Ngende ku ruhande rwa Nazi. Guhera mu ntangiriro. Nana barakari.
We're going to listen to them first.
Reka tubanze tubumve.
I'm in too much shock to speak.
Njye byantunguye ibyabo.
I think the elders should speak first.
Reka bakuru babanze bavuge.
We'll tell you as much as we can.
Okay, icyo mukenera cyose turakibabwira. Baje kubumva. Mama vayo, mama uyu bundi niwe mukobwa yifurizaga umuhungu. Undi niwe mukazana nari narabuze. Bariya barantuburiye mbere.
Okay, I'm here to support.
Ntugire ubwoba aratagenda gushyigikiye. Papa wari mama w'umuhungu. Abandi ntaribi.
Would Nell have given up so easily?
Nazi n'ubundi kiragiye tubivuga ntabwo yari kubyumva nawe byoroshye, yari kurakara agateza ibibazo.
Here, but it will still be blood.
Cyane ko ari kumeneka amaraso menshi ariko n'ubundi ari bumeneke.
No.
Cyase mbega nuko batibiro babaza abantu benshi. Rebe.
And Bus has to give up though.
No, don't give up.
Soko rero ambwiye ngo Angela nzamureke ntuzamureke cyane cyane muri kano kanya.
I sacrifice myself so others can be happy.
Nagiye nigomwa ibyishimo byanjye kugira ngo nezeze abandi ariko se ninde wishimye.
You guys need to heal now. Everybody will be better off. It's very...
Ufite kwita kuri Nazi, abandi bose Nazi nabyakira n'abandi biraza kuba babyakiriye.
Always.
None uranshyigikiye iteka.
My dear.
Ati hari igihe wigomwa ibyishimo byawe ngo unezeze abantu ariko abantu n'ubundi bikarangira batishimye. Bakubwira ngo kunda uyu nibwo tuzishima nawe niwishime nabo nibishime.
Leave you two alone.
Reka mbasigane. Yeah. Bebe.
Okay. I know that Mom neglected you.
Ndabizi mama nigeze gutega amatwi
Neglected her.
ariko waramusize.
Dad.
No, I have nothing to say in my defense.
Nje ntacyo ndibuvuge niregura.
Everything, when I think about what you've told me, I don't think you need divorce. I mean...
Nje sinyeka ko nkurikije ibyo umbwiye ko ukeneye divorce muri kano kanya.
Right?
Well, actually, what hurts your mother the most is not what I did, but
Icyabaje umumba wawe ntabwo ari ibyo nakoze.
Who was it, Dad?
Ninde rero mwari muri kumwe wamubabaje?
yeah.
What?
Ni Tania.
Matt's aunt?
Tania tante wa Meti. Cyane.
Look, nothing happened exactly.
Nta kigeze ariko kiba hagati yacu menya hatarahiye.
What happened? What more happened?
Wagira ngo habe iki kindi se nyine umuntu nimba mukundana muteretana.
I defended you!
Uzi inshuro nakuburaniye imbere ya mama.
You, I really don't! And you told me it's Tanya? There's no buts! What are you talking about?
Uravuga ibiki?
Really sorry now. I don't know how you can forgive me. I've made such a terrible mistake.
Nakoze amakosa akomeye.
What I've done to you both, I couldn't say a few words to Matt. I couldn't beat the crap out of
Sinigeze ngira icyo mbasha gufasha Meti
What?
cyangwa mutekerezeho.
Please fight this!
Kuki abagabo bameze gutyo?
The woman, then you find solace in another!
Musiga umugore wa mbere mukajya gushakira amahoro mu wundi mugore.
All our notes!
Noneho umugore tunaziranye. Wimbega nawe ameze nk'uri kwivuga ati waburiye amahoro kuri njye mukajya kuyashakira kuri Angela.
To read with Matt! Maybe he'll understand!
Genda byibura umuntu ushobora kukumva muri kano kanya ni Meti wenyine kuko mumeze kimwe. Ngo muburira amahoro ku mugore umwe mukajya kuyashakira ku wundi mushuti w'uwo mugore cyangwa se umugore uri hafi ye.
I said the elders should speak, but the elders are willing to accept it.
You must be angry too.
Menya nawe wararakaye ariko. Gereretse ngo abakuru banze bavuge.
I'm not angry.
Ntabwo ndakaye.
I'm
Ahubwo
resentful.
gihe n'ukuri ndumva bindenze.
Many times.
Wari kuba warabimbwiye kera. Ariko ntiwabimbwiye.
Don't trust me enough.
Bivuze ngo ntabwo unyizera.
Tell you so many times,
Ni kenshi nashatse kubikubwira
but I always backed out.
ariko nkabura uburyo.
Besides, and on top of that, I'd be making you a liar to Nail.
Icyo gihe nazi nkabona yakugize umubeshyi ngo uvuge gukundana na Angela akivangamo ibintu byinshi.
Out of millions of possibilities, how the hell
ibaze mu bakobwa bose bari muri iyi si ugahitamo gutesha umutwe babyara banjye babiri.
one was doomed?
Yes. Seriously.
Sha nta kundi nyine tubinywere se ko n'ubundi inyama utazarya utazirinda ibisiga niko yamubwiye.
Came here, I thought you'd say something very harsh. What you've been through is heavy enough.
Ibyo wanyuzemo ni byinshi.
And when you've just found your family, and you're willing to lose them.
Dore wabonye famiye yawe ariko kubw'urukundo witeguye no kuyibura.
It is a difficult decision.
Wa mwana umwanzuro wafashe urakomeye. Ngiye nshimye umurava wawe nibwo ukibona famiye yawe ariko witeguye no kuyibura kubera umusore ukunda.
I try to forget. I try to run away.
Nagerageje kumwanga, gerageza kumwikuramo, ngerageza gutoroka ngo ngende biranga.
Real, you can't run away, girl.
Bivuze ngo ntago wabasha gucika urukundo rwa nyarwo.
This house, they'll understand you.
Icyo ugomba kumenya nuko muri famiye hari abantu benshi biteguye kukumva batigeze babona urukundo rwa nyarwo.
I was so devastated. I wished I hadn't told my father about it. I wished they'd gone.
Narababaye iyo nza kutabibwira papa.
Then it turned out well.
Hari mwari kuba mwarigendewe na Meti muri mu Bwongereza.
When did you talk to Mr. Ziggy?
Ziggy ubundi wabimubwira ryari?
Fight. I didn't think he should prevent their divorce. How?
Bari gutongana icyo gihe Meti n'umugore we Nazi ninjye wababwiye ati bareke n'ubundi divorce bayihane. Icyo gihe nibwo Ziggy yahise atangira kubabuza kugira ngo mutajya
to go to my grandmother.
Kugira ngo mutajya mu Bwongereza ufite kujya kuvugana na nyogokuru yese amenya ko na nyirakuru bifitemo uruhare.
We couldn't talk. I want to go.
Nyogokuru yamamagaye ariko twigeze tuvugana.
Right.
Sawa. Abantu benshi hano baramwumva ko benshi barinze basaza baragiye babuzwa bo bakundaga na muzehe kugira ngo bamuhe ibyishimo ariko nk'uko bivuga nta n'umwe yigeze n'ubundi birangira yishimye. Ndabashimira basi ko mwagerageje kunyumva. Mwakoze. Kanze twirebera izindi episode